Hello and welcome. You're watching Don Bosco Media Network. This is Abigail Karmalim bringing to the Salesian news across the globe. Editress Eledisi in the Saint of Don Bosco and leader in the field of catechesis with more than 80 years of history in producing and sharing the good press nationally and internationally is pleased to announce the entry of the new editorial director, Father Rosano Sala, a Salesian of Don Bosco, effective from September 1st, 2022. The official appointment dated July 14 is by Father Leonardo Mancini, Superior of the Special Circumscription to Piedmont and Aosta Valley ICP, as well as President of Eledisi Publishing House, in dialogue with the Vicar of the Rector Major, Father Stefano Martoglio, and as part of the development plan proposed by the Publishing House, which will thus be able to make use of the new director's precious wealth of professionalism and experience gained in ecclesial, pastoral and academic contexts. Since the second East Asia Oceania ADMA Association of Mary Help of Christians Congress in September 2021, we may see around the East Asia Oceania EAO countries a consistent and enthusiastic growth of this important Salesian family group ADMA. We may see new groups, new aspirants, new ADMA youth and also first ADMA members in some countries like Pakistan FIS province and Solomon Islands PGS Vice province. Probably the three keywords are growth, youth, formation. After the 2021 EAO ADMA Congress appointed Father Godofredo Atienza, former FIS Provincial, as Spiritual Animators Regional Coordinator, many SDB and FMA were inspired in their task of accompaniment at the local or provincial level. With fewer pandemic restrictions on movement and gathering, Timor-Leste ADMA is also preparing for their October 2022 National Congress. The Swiss Salesian Mission Office, Don Bosco Jugend Hilfe Wilwet Jue, has approved an educational project that specifically aims to foster the environmental education of children, teens and young people to promote a cultural change toward integral ecology. The project, which will be implemented in Salesian entities in southern Argentina, is called Our Common Home, with boys, girls and youth towards a sustainable environmental mindset. On July 23, 2022, the Bishop of Witibula, Monsignor Edmund Woga, CSSR, led the blessing mass for the new building of SMK Vocational High School Don Bosco. Also present at the event, the Regent of Southwest Sumba, Dr. Cornelius Kodi Mete. The construction process of this building began with the laying of the first stone on July 10, 2021 by the Vicregent Witibula Diocese, Augustinus Malo Bulo, CSSR. This building was designed by architect Laurentia Vivianti, who was also present along with the contractor Rachmat Handoyo Pitisaka. The event was also attended by the chairperson of the SDB Indonesia Foundation as well as the SDB INA Provincial Economer, Father Johannes Bodi Raharjo, SDB INA Vice Provincial, Father Lino Bello SDB, and Parish Priest of St. Arnoldo's Jansen Tambolaka, Father Fernandez Ganti SVD. On July 24th, the youth of the Salesian Missionary Group of Kinshasa gathered for a formation meeting on the theme, Can We Be True Missionaries Amid the Noise? The day held at the Jesuit Fathers, Mason St. Ignace, began with a Eucharistic celebration presided over by Father Rigobert Kyungu, Provincial of the Jesuits, in the presence of Father Jerry Matsumbu, Delegate for Youth Ministry of the Africa-Congo Vice Province, and Father Hakwis Isha, who accompanies the missionary group. After Mass at the conference room, Father Kyungu spoke about the different elements of a missionary's identity and the dangers of society dragged down by the noise of the world. He stated that it is possible to be a good missionary only if one leaves periods of silence in one's days to encounter God and feed on His word. So viewers, with that we have come to the end of today's edition. Till we meet again, thank you for joining us.